Want to move money from your Cash App balance to your bank account without paying a fee? This video will show you how to do a standard transfer. A standard transfer is the default, free option that takes 1 to 3 business days, excluding weekends and holidays, to process. First, ensure you have a verified Cash App account and a linked U.S. bank account via routing and account numbers. Open Cash App. Tap the balance icon in the lower left corner. Select Transfer to Bank. Choose the linked bank account. Enter the desired amount and confirm. You'll see Cash App Transfer on your bank statement when it arrives. Remember, there's no minimum transfer amount, but limits may apply depending on your account status, e.g., $1,000 a day for unverified users. This is a reliable way to move your money, but allow a few days for it to arrive in your bank account. Standard transfers are free and reliable, but keep these key points in mind. Standard transfers are only available for U.S. banks. Transfers can take 1 to 3 business days, so plan accordingly. While instant transfers are available for a fee of 25 cents for amounts under $1,000, standard transfers are the most cost-effective option if you don't need the money immediately. Your funds are held in FDIC-insured accounts, and Cash App uses encryption and two-factor authentication for security. Though rare, reversals are possible for errors within 60 days. Keep an eye on your bank statements and Cash App transaction history to ensure everything is processing correctly. If you need funds faster, consider alternative options like Cash App's debit card for ATM withdrawals, but be aware of potential fees. Remember, according to a 2025 Statista survey, 72% of Cash App transfers are standard, totaling $150 billion annually across Block's ecosystem, demonstrating its popularity as a cost-effective choice.